How to add apps to home screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, I will show you if you want to add any of the apps in your app drawer to your home screen. All you have to do is hold on the application and then you will find an button of add to home. Tap on the button and here you go. The app is already in your home screen. But if you want to add every newly added app to your home screen, tap and hold on your home screen, then go to settings. After that, you will see this option of add new apps to home screen. Simply toggle this button on and you will be done. And if you want to remove the added apps, the process is just the same. Tap and hold on the application, go to remove and done. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.